Hello everyone! Today we'll be looking at a useful page that you can find in Clever. It's the district page. This page can be used for easy resource and customization of your own teacher page. First thing to know is that there are two different views when looking at these pages. An older view and an enhanced view. You can switch between the two using this toggle. Let's look at the extended or newer version first. Once you've logged in, you'll see your own teacher page. To access the district page, you'll click right here in the side column under the Pages section. That'll switch you over to the district page. From here, you can access district programs, and if you click this heart here, you'll be able to favorite the app to move onto your own teacher page. You can do this in the older page setup too. It'll just have some different visual aesthetics, like the district page being accessible from the top of the page. Give it a look over and take some time to familiarize yourself with this feature. It's pretty helpful. See you next time!